If you've ever felt that burning acid rise in your chest, listen closely because what I'm about to share might change everything. Tag someone who battles reflux every night, because the answer could be hiding inside a simple banana. It's amazing how something as ordinary as a banana can hold such extraordinary power. We walk past them in grocery stores every day, not realizing that this humble fruit carries one of the most effective natural remedies for acid reflux ever discovered. Yes, the same yellow fruit that powers athletes and satisfies sweet cravings also works like nature's own antacid. The banana doesn't just soothe the stomach, it protects, heals, and rebuilds the digestive system from the inside out. To understand how, let's start with what really causes reflux. Acid reflux happens when stomach acid backs up into the esophagus, creating that familiar burn, the chest pain, the sour taste, the endless discomfort. It's not just unpleasant. Over time, it can damage the delicate tissues of your throat and lead to chronic inflammation. Most people turn to medications that neutralize acid instantly, and while they help short-term, they never solve the underlying imbalance. The truth is your body doesn't just need less acid, it needs more balance. And that's where the banana becomes a game changer. Bananas are naturally alkaline, which means they help neutralize excess stomach acid without stripping away your body's natural digestive strength. Unlike processed foods that irritate the gut, bananas calm the storm. They coat the lining of the stomach and esophagus, creating a smooth protective layer that shields you from acid irritation. But their healing magic doesn't stop there. Bananas contain pectin, a soluble fiber that promotes smoother digestion. When your digestion runs efficiently, food moves through your system faster, meaning less pressure, less acid buildup, and fewer reflux episodes. There's also mucilage, a natural plant compound that gives bananas that slightly creamy texture. Mucilage acts like a balm for your digestive tract. It literally coats and soothes inflamed tissues, reducing pain and irritation caused by acid exposure. Now here's something most people don't realize. Reflux isn't only about what you eat. It's also about what you feel. Stress and anxiety can trigger or worsen reflux by increasing acid production. And here's where the banana becomes a double healer. It's packed with tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin, the feel-good hormone. That means bananas not only calm your stomach, they calm your mind. A more relaxed body produces less acid, digests more efficiently, and recovers faster. However, the secret lies in how you eat them. The ripe banana, with those small brown freckles on its peel, is the ideal choice. That's when it reaches its highest alkalinity and smoothest texture. Unripe or green bananas, though healthy in other ways, are starchier and can be harder to digest for sensitive stomachs. Here's a simple ritual. Eat one ripe banana about 15 to 20 minutes before your meal. That single habit can make a world of difference. The banana prepares your stomach, creating a protective barrier before any food arrives, greatly reducing post-meal burning or bloating. Another great idea. Blend a banana with oats and a drizzle of honey for a natural reflux smoothie. It's creamy, filling, and acts like a soothing tonic for your entire digestive system. Bananas are also rich in potassium, an essential mineral that supports nerve function, hydration, and muscle balance, including the muscles that control your esophagus. By helping these muscles function properly, bananas reduce the chances of acid sneaking back up. Science is finally catching up to what traditional cultures have known for centuries. The banana isn't just a snack, it's a healer. Studies show that compounds in bananas have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help repair damaged tissue in the gut. In other words, it doesn't just hide the symptoms, it helps rebuild the lining that acid has eroded. Unlike chemical antacids, which can interfere with nutrient absorption and cause rebound acid over time, bananas are completely natural. They bring your digestive system back to balance, instead of forcing it into suppression. Of course, healing takes consistency. A single banana won't erase months or years of reflux. But as part of a balanced lifestyle, one that includes mindful eating, hydration, and stress management, it becomes a powerful ally. Just imagine this. You wake up without that tightness in your throat. You sip your morning drink without fear of acid rising. And your meals no longer end with discomfort. You start feeling light, energized, and peaceful again, all because you gave your body something natural, gentle, and healing. That's the quiet revolution of the banana. It reminds us that real healing doesn't always come in pills or bottles. Sometimes, it's waiting in the fruit bowl. The most beautiful thing? Bananas don't just heal, they nourish. They give your body the tools to protect itself. They teach your system how to find equilibrium again. Every bite is a message to your cells that says, you can relax now, you're safe. And when the body feels safe, it starts to heal from the inside out. Let's not underestimate this fruit because it's common. That's the irony. The simplest foods often hold the deepest wisdom. The banana isn't exotic or expensive, but its impact is profound. It's the everyday hero of digestive health. The unsung ally that turns pain into comfort and imbalance into calm. So if you've been struggling with reflux, maybe it's time to return to basics. Add a banana to your breakfast. Swap your afternoon cookie for one. Feel the difference over time, not just in your stomach, but in your energy, your mood, and your overall sense of wellness, because healing isn't about deprivation. It's about choosing foods that work with your body, not against it. And in that partnership, the banana shines like golden medicine. If you've ever doubted that nature has the answer, let this be your reminder. Sometimes the cure doesn't come with a prescription, it comes with appeal. Share this message if you believe nature still holds the answers, because sometimes healing begins with something as simple as one perfect banana.